In life, there are certain things you can always rely on. Hard work starts before the sunrise. A strong cup of coffee will get you through just about anything. And trust, well, that's built one day at a time. When it comes to your tools, trust is everything. We developed the ToughBuilt Massive Mouth Roller to be one of those things you can always rely on. A rugged exterior that protects from the environment. Off-road wheels to handle any terrain. Heavy stitched and riveted construction for extra toughness. And our patented ClipTech system that provides endless options for organization. With an innovative massive mouth opening for easy access, this bag literally eats up the competition. In life, there are some things you can always rely on. We made sure the ToughBuilt Massive Mouth Tool Bag is one of them. It's not just a bag, it's ToughBuilt. Available at Lowe's.